Good night, Vatos. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. We're looking at this Amazon, relocation bracket from Amazon, and I believe it's made out of alloy, billet aluminum, I believe. But yeah, I mean, it looks like it's CNC'd out of it. I believe it's what that is. All right, it looks pretty legit. Looks like it's all one piece. Not too sure. You got some little details there, but of course you have a little spacer right here. You have a spacer. This should fit on your fork tube, but on my Roadster it does not fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the frame itself, right above my cable clutch adjuster. So let's go ahead and take this off. So it's a mixture of 2-in-1 video. It's kind of a unboxing. It came in a box and it was just covered in this little foam wrap, so I didn't bother unboxing it. So let's go ahead and remove this. You gotta remove the back of the Speedo here. I'm pretty sure it doesn't need another piece. I might be wrong, so let's see how this thing holds up. Alright, so that's it. That's pretty much the install. This is ready now to be mounted onto the bike. As you can see, there is no backing plate to this. This was shipped as is, no backing plate. So the one I have here, the stock one, I guess I don't think it'll work. I mean, it slides in there, but yeah, that's not gonna work. So that's not gonna work. I guess you could put long enough screws in here. That way, you know, this isn't just hanging out there in the elements. But I'll probably have to look for a backing plate that fits with this. I don't know. This seems to work right here. What I'm hoping is this kind of holds the Speedo so it doesn't fall out. And then maybe on the meantime, I could probably find a proper backing plate for this, so I could you know, have this on the bike. So that's it. All right, thanks for tuning in case you were wondering about the Amazon you know, relocation gauge piece. I mean, that's the way you kind of, you know, put that on there. That's it. Looks pretty solid, guys. Alright, you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's for risk. Get out there and ride. Later.